Number 9, let's take a look at what we have here. First thing I always say, let's fill in around things. Then we'll deal with parallel lines and then open our eyes to triangles. So I see 70. So right beside its linear pair would be 110. Its vertical angle 70. And then across from the 110, its vertical angle 110. Here's 100 degrees up in the corner. So this guy's going to be 100. Linear pair 80. It's vertical 80. That's all I can do as far as fill in and around on those guys. So now let's use this A is parallel to B. And again, remember, we could put a little extra arrow on this to indicate that, but most of the time we'll use this. So let's look. I like to always just look for some Z-meisters. Okay, now we can, or I'll do it a little differently this time. We could take all these where it hits this parallel line here at B. Here's where A is, so I could slide up the transversal and put them all right there. Okay, so that works perfectly fine. Same thing, this and this are parallel. Here comes the transversal. Pick all these up, put them down here. Which would have been the same thing if we had done a Z-meister. We would have picked up on that and then filled in everything around. It all works out the same. I'm going to do one more. I'm going to do a Z right here, though. Look at this. If he's 60, then he's 60, making him 120. You could have, though, obviously going, hey, this 60 and this guy, angle 6, those have to add up to 180 because they are on the same side of a transversal between two parallel lines, okay, consecutive interior angles. But I like the Z-meister. It's more fun. Let's now open our eyes, triangles, and I think we'll finish it out. So triangle right here, 80 and 70 is 150. So angle 2 is 30. And now open your eyes to the big triangle. We got 30, we got 60. 5 doesn't look like it, but obviously he must be 90 degrees right there. And we have everybody for problem 9.